In this video, I will share to all of you about how to make door with sloping line. Okay, first of all, we have to make the door. We can use the line. Click from this position, click to the upper position around 2.2 meter, and please direct the cursor to the another side around 900 millimeter and push it down around 2.2 meter also. Select all and offset it inside around 60 millimeter. Select the line, close this polyline, select erase tool, click this line, and it will be automatically delete for the center plane. Then we can select push it to the back side 120 millimeter, triple click, right click, and make group. And now we can assign the material with using wood materials. Then we can choose about the wood, kind of wood over there, and select the rectangle, click from this position until this position. Select the plane, select the push tool, click the plane and push to the front around 40 millimeter, triple click, right click, and make group, and select move, place to this position. Anyway, this is about the iron door, so I will change it to the metal, and I will choose this one, or maybe we can using this one and adjust the texture. We can adjust the texture around 500 approximately. Okay, then we can select these surfaces, select offset it inside around 50 millimeter. Okay, and select this line, select move, press control, and place to this position around 500. Okay, then we can type 10 slash enter, and then we can select push and push this every single surfaces. Okay, push this every single versus square until the limit, and we can see about the result just like this. And we can make the simple door handle like this. Push it to the front, select this outer line, just 3 line, offset it inside, select a push to this position, double click, make group, assign the materials, and select move and duplicate. Select mirror, click this green, select move, place to this position. When select this all of the group, right click and select make group. And now we can make the wall with using rotated rectangle. Select this position, then we can drag to the back side around 150 millimeter and push it up. Okay, approximately just like this. Then we can select the line, select move, press control, place to this position and push it to the another side. Okay, we can click from this point until this point, push it down and place to this position, and triple click, right click, make group, select all this rectangle, select these surfaces and push it to the front and push it to the down position, triple click, right click, and make group. And now we can assign the materials with using concrete. Okay, approximately we can use this using this one, and select this surface only, and select the landscaping, select the grass, and assign the material in this position. And now we can add more elements. We can add more element using this one, right click and we can triple click, right click, and make group, and we can assign the material with using this material. Thanks for watching. Just wait for my next tutorial. Thank you.